gbẹ̀yìn tẹ́ ń pariwo Christian Muslim kìíní kan àwọn kan náà ń pààyàn àwọn kan ẹjẹ́ agbọ́n tí Sowore sọ ká tó mọ̀ pé ṣe rí Nàìjíríà ẹ̀hún tèmi kàn máa sọ ni pé ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ó lọ gbọ́n Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kí wọ́n fi búrẹ́dì kó wa lómi ọbẹ̀ lọ kẹ má jẹ́ àgbàgbé ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Libya o bọ́n ṣe dìtẹ̀ Gaddafi lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná o Libya ò ṣe é wọ̀ mọ́ lónìí o ẹ má gọra yín o ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn kan ni wọ́n fẹ́ bá wa fa o ẹ̀já gbọ́n tí Sowore sọ.
There's genocide against the poor in this country. There's genocide against Muslims in this country. There's genocide against Christians in this country. There's genocide against children in this country. To now separate it and say maybe it's one religion or the other. Interestingly, Nigeria doesn't count or do DNA of people who are killed to determine whether they are carrying a Bible or a Quran. So the number of people that were abducted on our road yesterday, did anybody find out whether they are Christians or Muslims? Whereas the US can nitpick symbolically to say, because they have policies, definitely. They say, oh, you know, there are genocides against Christians in Nigeria. Why is the US not taking the same position in Gaza? That there's genocide against Muslims by Israel. So there's international hypocrisy about that. In a country where they are killing 6,000 people a day, you did not designate the killer as a genocidal government. But you are here. Please, let's be careful. I am not in any way defending what is happening in Nigeria.
Exactly.
But I'm just saying that the problem with Nigeria has nothing to do with religion. It's complete irresponsible leadership and insecurity that kills everybody.
Yes.
What about when the terrorists go and kill people in the mosque? When you talk about insecurity in this country today, it happens more in the north, in the Muslim part of the north. And that's the truth. That's where they go to mosque. I think they killed about 35 people in a mosque in Kasim. And the people who killed them were not Christians. They are probably people who identify as Muslims. So, but the truth is that we like to water down the responsibility of our leaders by trying. This gives them an alibi. You know, okay, you know. And then the US will come with a policy to say we want to protect Christians. It's okay. Let's bring a big boat and take all the Christians out and see if nobody will get killed again.